F900GS is powered by 895 cubic centimeters displaced two-cylinder four-stroke inline engine. It has 14.5-liter fuel tank capacity. F900GS reaches a peak output of 77 kilowatts, 105 horsepower, at 8,500 RPM and 93 Nm at 6,750 RPM. It is equipped with a Krapovich exhaust and Brembo brake calipers. Its price is PHP 1,135,000. It is available in Blackstone Metallic, Sao Paulo Yellow and GS Trophy.
So guys, Krapovich, Brembo brake. Ganda sana picture ang sarili ko kaso wala akong kasama eh. Kasi ito adjustable to, hindi na rin siya. Wow, nice. Medyo parang firm to eh. Medyo firm dito. Ito yun, carbon. Okay. Kapag pero kabila ko wala. Pero pag dalawa, ayan, yan, ganyan lang, ganyan. Kasi nakikita ko like, tiptoe talaga. Tiptoe talaga. Pero pag 1.5 yan, pwede naman. Basta galingan nyo lang mag-balance. Tignan natin pag-uwing to. Okay naman dyan. Okay naman. Tignan. Taas niya?
Taas ba?
Pataas. Grabe yung power nito. Parang mas malakas to kaysa doon.
Yes.
No?
105 horsepower to, ito 87.
Ay wow, okay.
Saka syempre, mas torquey siya kasi design siya off-road talaga.